welcome to my course on curtain making. If you're wondering if this is the right course for you, then let me reassure you. My name is Linda Turner. I'm an interior designer specialising in soft furnishings. My step-by-step approach will teach you how to make a pair of pencil-pleat curtains from start to finish. You're someone with sewing skills, possibly have an interest in soft furnishings and may be thinking of selling curtains to make money. So what will you learn on this course? But by the end of the course, you'll be confident you can accurately select and prepare fabric and lining, machine and hand stitch everything together in a professional way to produce a top quality pair of curtains. I've been in the industry for over 30 years and during that time I've been making and supplying made-to-measure curtains and blinds for literally hundreds of clients. I love working with fabrics and creating their stunning soft furnishings. I will teach you the tips and the tricks you need to make top quality curtains at the fraction of any high street price. I will break down everything into short, easy to follow videos which you can follow as you make your curtains. There's plenty to learn, so let's get started.